My India, my pride. It is 75 years since we got freedom from the clutches of the British Empire. We have come a long way since then. Our dear Prime Minister has named this year Azadi Ka Amrita Mahotsav. The theme for this year is Pride of Sanatan India, Glow of Modern India. India is one of the most religiously and ethnically diverse nation in the world with some of the most deeply religious societies and cultures. Religion plays a central and definitive role in the life of many of its people. Sanatana Dharma was prominent in ancient India till various invaders invaded, destroyed, looted the wealth, and forcefully converted many to their religion. Sanatana Dharma believes in the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning the world is one big family. Our Dharma has also taught us Atiti Devo Bhava, meaning the guest is equivalent to God. Sanatana Dharma also teaches us tolerance. We are taught to respect God's creation by respecting nature and all living beings. Let us see how was our country and how it became a slave for 800 years and now after independence in 1947 how it has flourished in the past 75 years. The word Sanatana in this year's theme means one which has neither a beginning nor an end. When we have puja in our homes, you might have heard the Bhadji doing Sankalpa before the puja. You might have heard him say, Adya Brahmanaha Dvitiya Pararde Shvetavaraha Kalpe Vaivatsvate Manvantare Kaliyuge Pratamapade. Let us see now what are these words Brahman, Kalpa, Manvantara, Yuga mean. Unlike other religions, Sanatana Dharma has different version of time. We don't have linear timeline. Before we speak of timeline of Sanatana Dharma, let us understand the unit of time. One human year is equal to one day of God or one Divya Ahoratra. 360 such Divya Ahoratras make one Divya Varsha or 1 year of God. 12,000 Divya Varshas make one Chaturyuga. One Chaturyuga has 4 yugas, that is Krita Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga and Kali Yuga. 71 Chaturyugas make one Manvantara. 1000 Manvantaras make one Kalpa. 2 Kalpas make one Brahmaratra, that is one day of Brahma. 360 Brahmaratras is one Brahma Varsha. 1 year of Brahma is 3,11,040 crore human years. Vast, isn't it? Yes, it is true. Imagine how old is our Sanatana Samskriti. Now, to list out timeline of present Chaturyuga. Krita Yuga lasted for about 17 lakh 28,000 years. Treta Yuga lasted for about 12 lakh 96,000 years. Dwapar Yuga lasted for about 8 lakh 64,000 years. Kali Yuga has to last for about 4 lakh 32,000 years. Age of our planet is 460 crore years. Chaturyuga repeat themselves. Many Brahmas come and go. Sanatana Dharma has been there before the existence of universe and it shall be there after universe perishes. Sanatana Dharma is about time and eternal. So I hope you might have understood what is pride of Sanatana India. We are on the path of becoming Vishwaguru. If we respect our heritage and work towards the development of our country by each one doing their bit, by contributing positively towards the growth, we can all work towards taking our country to a greater heights. This is a small effort to make our children understand the greatness of our origin, history, culture, and heritage. We will be sending several videos in the series My India, My Pride this year. Parents, kindly sit with your children and watch and give us your feedback so that we can correct ourselves and do better and enlighten our children together. Thank you, one and all. We have used different sources for the material and pictures. We sincerely thank the sources of the material and pictures used in this video.